More than 24 arrests in a ring that sold fake nursing diplomas nationwide.
Of course Miami. Of course it's Miami. I grew up in Miami. It's like the scam capital of the world. But I think there's more to this story, because how did they pass the NCLEX? How did that many people not go to nursing school and still pass the NCLEX? It's not that easy. You can't just sit for the boards and figure it out. I think it goes way deeper than the fake degrees. I think there's someone in the State Department, specifically in Florida, who are participating in a bigger scam, that are letting these people pass the NCLEX. And this is absolutely criminal. It almost like it takes away from people like me, other nurses who busted their ass in school and busted their ass studying for the NCLEX. I think there's so much more that we're going to learn about this. I might keep you updated because I'm super interested. So maybe I'll share it with you. But what do you guys think? I think it's more than just the fake degree.